Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone 14 Pro Max Gold. As you can see, this is the new design for the boxes, like this. Sticks out, same as other models, gold. You can see color over here. Gold. Here we have sticker with the information, because it's AT&T. Gold over here. And here it says 14 Pro Max. This is one of the seals. There's another one on the bottom. Here we can read some information. Comes with. Here we can see the part number, model number. 14 Pro Max Gold 256 can be 128, 256, 512, or 1 terabyte. Can come in gold, black, silver, and purple. And here we have the bottom seal. Opens like this. You can open on both sides. I just open on one. Let's see. Oh wow, this is really light gold. It's like, yeah, I don't want to say it's like white gold kinda. I mean, it just barely yellow. This one is like almost silver color. I wonder how silver color looks compared to this one. It's silver on the sides. These cameras stick out quite a lot, as you can see. On this side, this one is eSIM, this is US, so United States, all iPhones from carriers or unlocked from Apple, everything comes with eSIM. No physical SIM card anymore. We have this button, do not disturb. Volume buttons, same as always. Design is same as the previous model, just cameras stick out more. Better cameras, I assume. In order to make better cameras, they make them bigger. Let's see here. It's kind of like brown or so. And this is probably flashlight. 3 cameras. Same kind of screen as on previous model. It's the phone. USB-C to Lightning. And manual. This is some like paper, some stuff. Regular stuff, one sticker, and this one. Instead of picture of the phone and like whatever it was in previous models, now we have this one. No longer have physical SIM. There's nothing else in the box. Let's take a look at the box. Recyclable. This is the plastic from the phone screen. This sticks out quite a lot. This is gold. This one is 13 Pro Max black. I'm gonna show you some screw in here. I'm gonna show you how it's compared to it. So it's pretty much the same on the outside. As you can see, cameras stick out more on 14 Pro Max, right? And they grow every model. 12 Pro Max was smaller, and 11 Pro Max it was even smaller. See? Oh, okay, so it was here on this side. So here we had SIM card on 13 Pro Max, no more. Yeah, very light, very light. It's the lightest gold iPhone Apple came up with. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.